So Vivo is going to launch a new budget phone in India named the Vivo T1 5G, and the company is hyping the launch by claiming that this is going to be the fastest phone in its price segment. Now the company has already revealed that this phone has the Snapdragon 695, and as we know, currently the Moto G71 is one phone in India with Snapdragon 695, and that phone is priced under 20,000. What that means is the Vivo T1 is going to be priced even lower than that phone. So we can expect the starting price to be somewhere around 16 to 17,000. Now today we got to know the full specifications of Vivo T1, so in this video let us talk about this phone in detail. So design wise, the Vivo T1 has a water drop notch on the front, which is surprising because when every smartphone brand is now offering a hole punch, Vivo went for a water drop notch. Now you may think that this is because the phone has AMOLED, but that is not the case. The Vivo T1 has a 6.58-inch LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate. The fingerprint scanner, therefore, is on the side. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery and it supports 18-watt fast charging. In terms of the cameras, there are 3 on the back, where the main camera has a 50 megapixel sensor. There are two 2 megapixel sensors, so we think one is for macro shots, whereas the other is for depth information. What this means is that there is no ultra-wide camera on this phone, which is really surprising. And last but not the least, the phone has 4GB RAM for the base variant and 128GB UFS 2.2 storage. Now one thing that you may not know is that this is not some new phone from Vivo. In fact, iQOO, which is the sub-brand of Vivo, has already launched a phone with similar specifications in China named the iQOO U5. The only difference between the iQOO U5 and the Vivo T1 is that the Vivo T1 has one extra camera on the back, but that does not matter that much because it is just a 2 megapixel sensor. Everything else is the same, including the design. So yeah, the Vivo T1 is yet another 5G phone under 20,000 rupees with compromises in things like the cameras and the display. As I said in the beginning of this video, the phone is expected to start at a price lower than the Moto G71, but that is kind of expected because if it does not, then the Moto G71 easily kills it. Also, Realme 9 Pro is coming soon with the same chipset, and that phone has a 120Hz AMOLED as well. So it would be better if Vivo prices the base variant of T1 at around 15 to 16,000, otherwise it won't be a very good value for money phone for sure. So what do you think of the Vivo T1 5G? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.